In today's episode, I'll show you how I separate my chicken so that I can have an easy time when I want to cook. I mainly separate my chicken into three major parts, and that's the thighs, the chest, and the shell. So this is a whole chicken and it's frozen, so it's cold. So I'll start by separating my thighs. You should not be cutting any bones, and I'm just going to do this. And here we have our first thigh. You can see the bone is still intact. So onto the other side, I'll do the same. Now that we are done with our legs, let's work on the breast and the shell. And there we have our breasts, and as you can see, there's no bone which has been broken. And then these are the extras: our chicken wings, we have our neck, and we have our backbone over here. So I like separating like this so that when I want to cook, I'll have a separate recipe for my shell. I'll also have a separate recipe for my chicken breast as well as my chicken legs. So feel free to check out any of these particular recipes because these are three different recipes, and I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Let's meet in tomorrow's episode where we'll be preparing some chicken recipe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.